Looking to take your Pilates practice to the next level? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best Pilates reformer machines that can seriously transform your workouts, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. I'll walk you through what makes each one worth considering, from features to functionality, and yes, I'll share both the highlights and the drawbacks. Let's jump in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Stamina Pilates Reformer Machine. The Stamina Aero Pilates Premier Reformer is a great choice for anyone looking to bring Pilates into their home routine. Its sturdy frame, elevated design, and included rebounder make both cardio and strength workouts accessible and effective. The padded carriage and adjustable resistance cords provide comfort and flexibility for various fitness levels. A big plus is how smooth and quiet the machine operates, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. However, one downside is its size. It takes up significant space, and while foldable, it's not exactly compact. Still, for the quality and versatility, it offers solid value. Number 2. My second best pick, PAETA Foldable Reformer Pilates Machine. The PAETA Foldable Pilates Reformer is a standout choice for home fitness, blending studio-grade features with space-saving convenience. Its dual resistance system, springs and cords, delivers smooth tension adjustments, while the included jump board expands workout variety. The unit's steel frame supports up to 400 pounds and folds compactly with wheels for easy storage. Installation is straightforward, and many users praise the carriage for gliding quietly. On the downside, taller users may feel limited by the shorter foot bar and shoulder blocks, which might not accommodate full leg extension. Overall, it's a practical, versatile reformer for most home users, especially those with limited space. Number 3. My third best pick, Pilerag Foldable Pilates Machine. The Pilerag Foldable Pilates Reformer is a solid option for home or light studio workouts, suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. Its steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, and the foldable design with integrated wheels makes it surprisingly easy to store. Users can adjust spring-based resistance smoothly, and the carriage glides with minimal noise, great for shared spaces. Assembly is straightforward and doesn't require professional help. One drawback: the weight limit of 250 pounds may feel restrictive for heavier users, and the frame can feel less stable during high-intensity moves. Overall, it's a budget-friendly, space-saving pick for casual to intermediate reformer fans. Number 4. My fourth best pick, PAETA Pilates Reformer Machine. The PAETA 91-inch foldable Pilates reformer is a standout home fitness option, offering studio-like functionality in a compact design. Its length provides ample carriage travel for smooth, full-range movements, while the adjustable reformer heights and piano wire springs let you fine-tune resistance levels precisely. The included jump board adds versatility for higher intensity and plyometric work. Assembly is intuitive and the frame folds easily with built-in wheels, ideal for limited spaces. One downside: taller users, over 6 feet, may still find the shoulder blocks and foot bars slightly limiting for maximum extension. Overall, it's a versatile, sturdy choice for both beginners and seasoned Pilates lovers. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Pilates Reformer Machine Equipment. The foldable Pilates Reformer Machine with springs and cords is an excellent home fitness option for users at any level. Its dual resistance system, combining springs and cords, allows smooth, customizable workouts, while the included jump board boosts versatility for cardio and strength training. Assembly is easy and straightforward, and the frame folds compactly with wheels for hassle-free storage. The carriage glides quietly and feels sturdy under load. One downside: the shoulder blocks and foot bar may feel cramped for taller users, limiting full range motion. Overall, this reformer offers great value, adaptability, and space-saving convenience for most home Pilates routines. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite Pilates reformer machine? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.